Hello, beautiful. Hi. We're at our favorite place.
We're at Epcot.
KK's having a moment of nostalgia. We're talking about how when she was a little girl, every Halloween she dressed up as a Disney princess. So I was telling her how I used to pay all this money for all the dresses. But then the year that she stopped wanting to be a Disney princess, I was devastated. I was so sad. Okay, I think I figured out what I want. Let me show you. This is gorgeous. It fits my big old head.
Please don't do the chin strap. Please don't.
No chin strap?
No.
But it's so cute. Just took a little cool off section. Started in Paris.
Yes, we did
In France. And we went to the pastry shop, which was delicious. It's one of my favorites. It's a little nostalgia from coming with my friends back in the days. But today I tried something new. Kiara influenced me.
We did the turkey BLT.
It was so good. It was,
you know, like phyllo?
yes.
How it has those like crispy, crunchy crumbles. Ooh,
buttery.
So good.
So good. And then for dessert, we had the apple crumble, which was really good. I thought that was delicious. She was so full from the sandwich that she could barely eat any of the crumble. Oh, that was delicious. We should make those at home more often.
You made them before.
I know. We need to make those again. They're so good. And then we also had frosés, which are amazing. My absolute favorite, though, in France are the Grand Marnier slushies. Cheers. Cheers. So what are we having?
Oh, so good.
Okay, so this is the Grand Marnier slushie. And what are you having?
I'm having the Grey Goose slushie.
Okay, I never had that one before.
Yes, that one is so good. Mmm.
Okay, this might be a new favorite.
You like that one?
This is good.
That one is good. This one tastes like an orange sickle.
Mm-hmm.
Or like a sherbet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go get you another one.
No, don't drink mine.
We walked over to Japan because we wanted to check out the drummers.
The roars sometimes for weddings and like welcoming guests and things like that.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. Now we're finishing up our Tokyo sunset. So good.
Which we have been totally influenced by a YouTube video we watched recently where this young lady and her boyfriend came and visited Epcot, and they showed like all the different foods.
No, they went to all the parks.
They did. They went to all the parks. So now we're like, okay, we have to try that and we have to try this. And so we tried the Tokyo sunsets, which we're not sure if it had alcohol in it.
But either way, they're just like super refreshing, and it's so hot right now. It's like I need a break.
It's so hot. So right now it's reading 92, but because of the humidity, feels like 99. And y'all, it feels like 110 if you ask me.
The biggest L.
I know, biggest L. I forgot my fan at the hotel, so Kiara's sharing with me. Don't forget your hat, y'all. Like having a hat, or Kiara has her parasol. Those are like the biggest things because keeping the sun off of your, like beating off of your neck is so important. But it's all good. Now we're gonna go over and try to find somewhere inside to refresh for a little AC. That's a nice part.
Do a little ride or something.
Right. That's the nice part about Epcot, though, is that there's so many places to take a break.
Right.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. Vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods.
The magic touch.
You will have it now. I will. Okay.
Oh, there you go. Let me see you go down. Ooh, and then up. Oh, so good for you. It doesn't open.
It's not opening. Okay.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? We are day 2, Disney.
Yes.
Yesterday was an amazing day.
Yes.
We learned about the Skyliners. And
We're back in here.
we wanted to try this restaurant that Kira found. It's supposedly the best restaurant on
In
the
just a
property.
few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades.
It
The
gives you a
water that flows
tour.
from the protected wetlands around Walt
Ours didn't
Disney
do
World
this last
Resort
night.
travels all the way to the Everglades.
It's one of the best restaurants for breakfast without having to book a character. Breakfast.
Yes.
If we
Did you
came
know that the
to,
entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles?
we did not know
That's
that.
about the same size as the city of San Francisco and
What?
double the island of Manhattan.
I did not know that.
I didn't know that
Go
either.
Disney. Come over to Hollywood Studios. It's a 2-second walk to the Skyliner from the buses. And we could hop on the Skyliner and it takes us right over to Riviera, which is where the restaurant is.
Oh yeah.
So we made it to the restaurant, and per usual, we both ordered the same thing, but we did add a little variety. So we got the breakfast platter, which comes with sausage, bacon, eggs, and garlic bread. And then we also ordered the lemon blueberry pancakes with a fruit cup, which is one of their #1 picks. Got coffee, and yeah, let's see how everything tastes. It looks good.
It does look good.
Kira made the coffee.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
I don't know. You like your coffee in a very specific way.
I know. I was literally thinking, I hope she doesn't make my coffee. This one is the watermelon.
It smells so good.
So good. It literally smells like summer.
It's this one. Let's see.
Those are good.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
They don't even have. We didn't even put syrup.
I know. They literally taste like a lemon cake. I don't know. It's interesting because it's so light, fluffy. Does it have ricotta in it to like make it? I don't know.
I have no idea. Let me see.
All right, off camera.
Mmm.
Isn't that good?
It has a really nice texture.
It's like light.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very light.
Like a cake.
Like a cake.
It's good. Nope, she does not like it.
It's not bad.
So it was just regular creamer.
It's not bad actually. You did good.
Okay, good.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab some salt and pepper for these eggs, and we'll be back.
Okay.
And we're
Going to Magic Kingdom.
I'm so excited. So we just pulled in off the bus, but wanted to give you guys an update on breakfast, y'all.
It was so good.
It was so good. That was more than worth the travel, okay? The polenta that came with the breakfast platter.
That was so good.
Was that not?
It was so savory. It was really like the nicest breakfast we've had since we've been here.
Literally. The best breakfast we've had since we've been here.
And you won't even believe this. The pricing is basically the same.
So I think it was like $14.99 a platter.
Right.
Then we also got the blueberry pancakes, which were delicious.
Yes.
So if you're a pancake person, you're gonna love those.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say maybe order kind of like what we did, which was like a platter and then the pancakes and split it.
Right.
That
And the
was
pancakes do come with the side.
Yeah, they do come with a side. So that was really good. And then now we're at Magic Kingdom. Our family's going to be meeting up with us in a little bit. KK has such a cute Magic Kingdom outfit today.
know.
So she'll have to give you guys an OOTD. And I've gotten quite a few compliments on my little fit today. We just sat down at Casey's Corner.
Yes.
And we're trying another drink from a recommendation we found on YouTube. And this is the mint julep slushy. This one is like, it's basically like a mint lemonade
Right.
in a slushy form.
It's like the perfect amount of mint.
Mhm.
It's not too overpowering.
That is so good.
It's like sour and sweet. It's so good.
So I also picked up the corn dog special. KK hates corn dogs, so she won't be having any. So we just learned that this is free transportation down Main Street. Picks you up in the town center and takes you all the way to the castle. Speaking of castles, look at this beautiful girl. Look at you. You're so beautiful. You think so? I love your ears. You're perfect in pink today. Food critic in training. Beignets? What's this one?
It's sweet honey chicken. Sorry.
Honey chicken. The French fries are really good. Sweet potato fries.
That looks good.
I know, sweet potato fries, and then lavender lemonade.
Ooh,
That's so cute.
That looks pretty.
All right, we gotta try this. Now you guys know we are from New Orleans, so we know what
These
a beignet.
better be good, huh?
We know what a beignet is supposed to taste like. Let's see. Let's see if this is giving beignet.
How is it? No,
It's not giving beignet.
it's not giving beignet. It's giving beignet, but not like New Orleans.
Okay, first of all, it's hollow.
Yeah.
So beignets are not supposed to be hollow.
Oh, wow.
So I have a problem there. New Orleans style beignets. Now, mind you, I don't know what they do in France, but the ones that Tiana was cooking up are supposed to have layers of crust in the inside. So the fact that it's hollow, that's a little interesting.
Okay. So they're a bit hollow. What do you
But
think,
I do like
Grandma?
the drizzle of the honey.
You like it?
Okay,
It's different.
you try it.
She said it's different. It's not my favorite, but it's like a sweet bread, so I feel like I like it.
A sweet chicken with hot honey chicken with sweet potato fries. I already tried the sweet potato fries and they're delicious. Those are really good. They're nice and crispy. They have like a little seasoning on them. Really good.
Oh yeah.
Right? Let's try this.
The chicken looks good. It looks nice and crunchy.
It is nice and crunchy. Juicy.
Not dry.
Okay. It's got a little sweet sauce and then it also comes with like pickles. Like a little pickly. It's like a pickled olive mixture. Just a little bit though. And maybe we could give you a couple more of those, but we'll see. Those are spicy. More than spicy, they're tangy. Last but not least, the lavender lemonade.
So good.
Is it?
It's refreshing. Not overly like lavender.
Not overly floral.
Yeah, it has no carbonation, which I actually like. They always do lavender and carbonation. I don't like the two together.
Okay, wait. So this or the mint julep?
No, the mint julep all the way.
All the way.
Yeah.
Mommy, you gave a pro tip. You said if you want real
Beignets.
beignets, where we go?
Orleans.
To the Orleans Hotel here at Disney.
Yes.
So I told her we need to make a trip, maybe on our way back, and do a little comparison. We know what the ones here at the Outpost taste like, and they're okay. Not my favorite.
They're not beignets.
We are headed on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's about a 20-minute wait, so not that bad.
Looking at all the princess dresses.
And so many princesses today. Late night run to Port of New Orleans for actual beignets. Those smell like a beignet. Okay, the official taste tester. That's definitely better. No hollow insides, okay, Disney?
Oh yeah,
That's a beignet?
that's better. Yeah.